Hi there, this is Łukasz for the Tech Travel Geeks. Welcome to the unboxing and walkthrough of the DJI's 3-axis mobile stabilizer, the Osmo Mobile 3 Combo. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks to see more content from us. We'll also be releasing a full review soon, so make sure you click the bell icon to get notified when it's live. As you can see, this is actually the combo version with some additional accessories, so let's see what's inside. You get the hard carrying case with Osmo branding, which is actually really nice. The accessories box has a USB-C cable for charging, but no charging brick, as well as a wrist strap, which I haven't really used myself, but it's always nice to have. There's also a nice branded pouch for carrying, some anti-slip stickers if you need them, and a tripod for some static recording or time lapses. The basic non-combo version doesn't get you the hard case or the tripod, so I'm really glad I went the combo route. Finally, there's the gimbal itself. It is much smaller than I expected, especially when it's folded. It's actually really similar in size to the DJI Mavic Air, pictured here before it ended up in a river some time ago. Here it is compared with the Mavic Mini. I'm currently using both during my walks around the Scottish Hills nearby. The setup is really quick and easy. It's best to download the DJI Mimo app from your app store of choice, either the Play Store, Huawei's App Gallery, or Apple Store, depending on your device. Once installed, you'll be asked for some permissions. Make sure you have Bluetooth enabled for it to discover your gimbal. You'll then be asked to log into your DJI account. I already had one, but if you don't, just create one and log in. It will then activate the device and show you some tutorials. Finally, it might need to install some firmware to make sure that you have the latest functionality. It does take a moment, but it's definitely worth it, so just be patient. Finally, we're good to go. Let's also go through some controls on the device itself. The main one is the joystick, which allows you to move your phone and point the camera where you want it. Just make sure you don't make any sudden moves if you want some more cinematic shots. If you're using the app, I'd actually recommend changing the control stick speed to slow to make your shots even more cinematic. Or don't use the joystick altogether and just move your hand to ensure it's as stable as possible. When the device is off, the M button pressed once shows the battery status, and holding it switches it on or off. Single tap when the device is on switches between photo and video. Double tapping switches between portrait and landscape. And triple tap for some reason disables the motor. Not sure why, but it's there if you need it. The record button works well and should be supported both in the DJI app and other camera apps as well. You also get zoom in and zoom out buttons on the left. Just remember that you zoom in digitally, so you'll be losing some quality. If you have a zoom lens, it might be better to switch cameras using screen controls instead. There's also a trigger button. 2 taps center the gimbal, while 3 switch between the front and back camera. Finally, you get 2 USB ports. The USB-C is used for charging the built-in battery, which is actually great and rated at 15 hours of use. The high battery capacity and the LED indicators should ensure no battery anxiety for this device at all. There's also a hidden USB-A port, which will allow you to charge your phone, making it a 2450 mAh power bank. I just wouldn't recommend using it while charging, as functionality gets limited, but it's a great feature while on the go. That's it when it comes to the device. We'll be releasing a full review of the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 very soon, so make sure you check it out to find out how well it performs while recording video. You can already check a sample video from a walk in Edinburgh Hills. You can find it in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to find out more content like this. Thanks for watching!